टिकाऊपणा, शाश्वतते जावं सस्टेनेबिलिटी या पुराई एक संकल्प मात्र नाही. हे आम्ही काम करची रीती, आम्ही जीवन चलासोचे नमुनो, नावे कृषी करचे विधान हाजी वटूची मुकावेल भविष्य निरूपिसून वरचे एक चिंतन. हाज्या पशी हॉड कसं म्हणारी आमका ह्या विषयांतू व्यवहार ज्ञान आणि वास्तविक अनुभवाक मार्गदर्शक दिवची जन आमक जावक जलले ते बहुत भारी एक अगत्य विषय. आजी आमनेल वाहिनीतू तसल एक मार्गदर्शक सोयरी असाची. नमस्कारू विश्व कोंकणी वाहिनींतू सर्व वीक्षकांक आत्मीय स्वागत. आज आमगेल वाहिनींतू आमक मार्गदर्शन दिवची तसले एक सोयरे परिसर प्रेमी श्रीमती अर्चना पै भंडारकर हाने आमगेलोट असाची. आम्ही हांगेला उरलोनो आनी चड ऐकूया. ताजे पशी पुढे हांगेले एक परिचय दिता. हानी परिसर प्रेमी म्हणून सांगितलं तशीची हांका बँकिंग क्षेत्रांतू 14 वर्षाचे अनुभव, इन्व्हेस्टमेंट मॅनेजमेंटांतू बॅकग्राऊंड आणि कार्बन प्रॅक्टिशनर सर्टिफिकेशन आशिला ना. त्यांनी ग्रीन टेक्नॉलॉजी आणि कार्बन न्यूट्रल अभ्यासा विषयांतू जनांक आणि संस्थांक प्रशिक्षण कार्यावळी करून अर्थ करसून ताका कार्यांत हाडच्याक निरंतर प्रयत्न करत असाची. हांगेलेची 2 स्टार्टअप कंपन्यो ह्या विषया खातीर हांणी स्थापने केला. आता ह्या पुरो विषय आमकां कसं म्हणून कळेच ना. म्हाकाय सगळें कळनी. कार्बन प्रॅक्टिशनर आणि बायोचार कसं की विषय येता ते पुराय आम्ही हांगेला उरलोन ऐकून चंदा एरी आम्ही अर्थ कोण घेवया म्हणून सांगताची. हांव अर्चना पै भंडारकर हांका आमगेल वाहिनींतू स्वागत करता. अर्चना तुका आमगेल वाहिनींतू स्वागत. नमस्कार.
नमस्कार. विश्व कोंकणी केंद्राच्या पुरा वीक्षकांक मिगेल मोगा नमस्कार.
सो स्वीट, थँक्यू. आता अर्चना तुका आमगेले पर्यावरणा विशयांतू मस्त एक काळजी आसा आणि तू अवेअरनेस हाडोच खातीर काम करता. तुगे ओन स्टार्टअप कंपनीज आसाची. तर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हांव तुका कंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स दिता. आमगेल अभिनंदन तुमका. ओके, सुरया तू मुखार वचना. तुमगेले सांप्रयाचे परिचय दिताची स्कूलिंग शिकिले हे विषय सांगता
वय. मिगेल नाव अर्चना रमेश पै म्हणून. वाल्डिके पूरी मिगेल नाव अर्चना रमेश पै म्हणून. मिगेल अन्नाल नाव रमेश पै.
अच्छा.
मिगेल अम्माल नाव जया रमेश पै म्हणून. आनु कोडियाल चोची. आनु हंग कोडियाल गावांतू कमर्शियल अकाउंटेंट जाऊन नन्न काम केलेले. मिगेल अम्मा होम मेकर जाऊन अशी. सो मिगेल शिकवण मिगेल जन्म जल मडकेरींतू. मिगेल अम्मा मडकेरीची.
अच्छा.
मिगेल जन्म जलेले मडकेरींतू. After which I did my schooling. Miguel schooling jalala Lady Hill Victoria Girls Convent antu. Taj magiri I went into St. Aloysius College for my graduation. Mangalore.
Okay.
I have complete final year as mantana. After my final year, Miguel final year jatari ek investment management I course korno. Before that itself, mak final year end jat mantana. Mak Federal Bank antu campus placement milno. I got a job in the banking sector. Miguel hamma how law course ka further shiku kamona ashi. Miguel anna how company secretary course score kamona
CS.
At that point in Miguel ek abhyas kashi malari. I am pura jan MBA karta sach Miguel classmate. Miguel bhav probably MBA koru plan karta sir. Ta pura ast mantana mak ek unique kasale core kamona ashi. Aw shikchi time meri fine. I mean when Miguel degree jattastana company secretary course chikechi not very famous malari
Just
not common not yeah. Common kasa ashil malari commerce घेतलीलांक एक CA एक MBA आणि कसले एक कामावचे. सो मिगेल आन मला खाव कसं सांगली malari have mak लॉन्थ इंटरेस्ट आशिले. But how normal law pursue करना, how company secretary course करता, but at the same time mak कामा काही होत चुका. I want to do both. I'll do a banking
Simultaneous.
I want to do both. So I started doing both. ताज्यात तरी आय कंप्लीटेड इंटर्न सीएसाचे एक पार्ट जाल्ले मेगेले बट समहाव मेगेल कोप अप जायनी आय कुडंट कोप विथ बोथ आनी थदन त्या टायमेर कसं म्हणल्यार आम्हाक सोयरीक सोदीत आशिल्ली फायनल इयर म्हणटना सूर केला मेगेला सोयरीक सोदूक तर कसं जालें म्हणल्यार पुरा इंजिनियर सोदितना तांकां एक क्रायटेरिया आसता कामा वचुका
करेक्ट
कामा चुमकलेली जावक आशिल्ली
वय.
सो आ नमान म्हणली कसं म्हणल्यार काम सोडून एटलिस्ट वालडेक जेवताय सो दॅट द एक एलिजिबिलिटी क्रायटेरिया फुलफिल जावं
करेक्ट
सो आय कंटिन्यूड त्याच्यात तरी मागीर वालडेक तर कसं जालें म्हणल्यार आय अगेन कंटिन्यूड विथ द जॉब इथे म्हणल्यार मिगेल बामणान येवचे 11 घंटा काम आनी पुरा जाता सॉफ्टवेअर आनी स्टील जनान हांव घरा बसून कसं करचें सो इट बिकेम अ रूढी अँड द ब्रांच गांधीनगर ब्रांच आशिल्ला
बँगलोर
It was a wonderful branch,
Yeah.
wonderful experience. Must like team ashila. I continued like till 2015.
आम्हाला 14 years एक्सपिरियन्स
वय. I started in 2008
Hmm.
and bank antav 2022 thai ashili with a 2 year sabbatical in between. A sabbatical घेतलं मिगेल दू जाल्ली 2015 अंतू ताजी मागिरी to enjoy motherhood and to take care of her and to be with her. हांव तिगेलो to complete 2 years आशिल्ली. During that 2-year period, I completely thoroughly enjoyed motherhood to the core. To the core मला तिक play dates आवडच्या तिक पुरा बोलून घेवचे पुरा करच्या बट ऍट द एंड ऑफ 2 years अगेन म्हाका काम आठवूचा स्टार्ट जालें एक दोनीच कसं म्हणल्यार मिगे आम्हाक रियलायझेशन कसं आयलें म्हणल्यार तिक हांवेच पळोवन घेवची जालें निमित्त शी डजंट नो एनीबडी एल्स अदर दॅन मी अँड अ फादर
येस
So for me, it was important that she goes out, has playmates, तिक एक complete एक environment चेडू वालो टास्क म्हणून हांव तिका एक डे केरा घालें डे केरा घाल्ली कशें म्हणल्यार तिका 10 घंटा सोडचे 5 घंटा मिगेल बँक चल तक्षण
घेऊन
I used to drive and get her back. So during that 10 to 5 as म्हणटना her social skills improve जालते
करेक्ट
म्हणल्यार खेळू कशी became more open towards playing with other kids. उल्लोचा शिकली राइम्स शिकली so the thing is as a parent it is important to give that atmosphere also to your child.
Yes.
So I made sure that comes up with that and yeah migele time
शिकवण आहे,
right,
actually,
migele
कामाचे.
काम जाले तिगेले I whatever I wanted for her also was achieved.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल आणि तुगेल बामणा तेंचे कोण
बाई मिगेल बामनाल नाव शिवानंद भंडारकर म्हणून तांणी सुरतकलचे
ओके
so I got married into a family from Suratkal. मिगेल माव माई पूरा सुरतकल अंतुचत दसची
ओके
बाई so
कॉम्पॅक्ट फॅमिली
compact family
या
and this is about my
या परिचय
परिचय.
या करेक्ट करेक्ट आता मी तुमगेल प्रोफेशनल जर्नी पळया ओके तुमगेल प्रोफेशनल जर्नी कशी स्टार्ट जाले आणि हांगा तुमकां कसं प्रेरणा येयली सांगितली
sustainability.
या सस्टेनेबिलिटी तेजे विशयान तू
2008 अंतु हांव फेडरल बँक जॉइन जाली.
Yeah.
So when you as a 20-year-old when you go into a banking sector banking job what does it teach you? कसं शिकयता तुमकां banking job? एक discipline शिकयता. एक discipline with respect to money, how to handle money because you're dealing with somebody else's money, right? त्या शिकयता. Organizational hierarchy शिकयता. How to manage inside a hierarchy of that sort. But traditional banking and कशी असता hierarchy, how to handle that, how to do a client facing job because it is a client facing job. How to handle clients. You see businesses from the grassroots level. You understand their problems. म्हळ्यार कसं नमने जन कसं खातीर लोन येताची तेगेल माइंडसेट कसले what are their thoughts before approaching you for a loan. त्या पुरा शिकताचे आमी आणि टाइम मॅनेजमेंट टाइम कशी मॅनेज करचे with discipline with respect to deliverables. How do you manage that? इतले टाइम भितर या काम कशी विथ इंटेग्रिटी कोण दिवचे म्हणून एक मना असता.
करेक्ट
सो त्या पुरा स्किल्स मिगेलांत इनहेरिटंटली आयल्या आणि मिगेलान ही वॉज अ कमर्शियल अकाउंटंट राईट एक कडेन न्ही मिगेलान लाख बरोचे मिगेलान एक 50-60 कडेन चड बरो ना शकून आमगे ते एक टॉपिक कसं म्हणल्यार केन्नाय अन्नान कामातुल्यान येतरी बिकॉज ही एक बिझनेस आशिल्ल चेडूवांक कसं एक्सपिरियन्स एक बिझनेसाचे एक्सपिरियन्स ऐकून पळोवन जाल्यार म्हाका आमकां 50 नमने बिझनेसाचे ऐकून एक बिझनेसाची स्केलेटन जो कसं आय मीन हाऊ डू यू जज अ बिझनेस थ्रू देअर अकाउंट्स राईट सो मिगेल अन्नाक इन क्लोजली he has seen so many businesses succeed and fail that तितले उलोवन ऐकून आमकां ऑटोमोबाईल सेक्टराचो कसो प्रॉब्लेम्स अशा पुरो म्हणून आमकां थोडे आयडियाज अशें शान म्हणटालो अशें जाल्ले ब्रँडिंग कशें आय मीन ब्रँडिंग म्हणून म्हणा न्हू बट अशें एक्सपॅन्ड करचो प्लॅन आसता दिस पर्सन इज व्हेरी मोटिवेटेड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू बिझनेस he wants to pass it on to the second generation कशी पळय एक्सपॅन्ड करता सची मस्त पुरा काणी आमकां मला सांग
व्हेरी
इंटरेस्टिंग सो आमकां एक 50 लिकर बिझनेसाचे कसं शॉर्टफॉल कसं हाऊ कशी ते फेल जाल्ले कसं जाल्लें कशी सक्सीड जाल्लें कशी एक्सपॅन्ड केलें पंचाडीक MRPL वताला थंयचे उलयतालो सो आमकां त्या पुरा इन हाऊस
बिल्ट
सो मिगेल MBA हांव फर्स्ट स्टँडर्ड मिगेल उलयतना मिगेल एकदम चूर जाला तेस कसो प्रॉब्लेम म्हणून बिझनेस आसा सो दॅट बिकेम अ पार्ट ऑफ माय पर्सनॅलिटी बँकिंग एक्सपिरियन्स पळयची ग्रास रूट लेवल बिझनेस आसा कसो प्रॉब्लेम्स आसा सो 2008 तुलान त्या पुरो स्टार्ट जालें बँगलोरा येतरी मिगेल एक्सपोजर बँकिंगाची की चड जालें बिकॉज आय वॉज कंप्लिटली इंटू foreign exchange management and avashi. So I learned a lot about, inward remittance, outward remittance, ta kashi currency fluctuate jata, import export, ta pura शिकली. Bank guarantee शिकली, loans कशी दिवचे, कसा criteria, how do you judge, ta pura mak bank अंतु Gandhinagar branch, since it was a big branch, mak ta pura exposure मिळले, which I did not get in Bangalore as much.
Correct. Yeah.
So that was a good experience for me. 2000 time 2011 to 2015 amgel time miguel ani bamnal time kushi gel mon gotla in our careers it was a really flourishing period.
Yeah.
Ami gama येऊच म्हणून आशिल्ले आमी 10 to 5 ताई काम केले weekends bag सोडलानी भोंच्या चमकलीची. We have thoroughly enjoyed that marital period between 2011 to 15 as well as work, both of us.
Yes.
After that, after my daughter was born, we have thoroughly enjoyed parenthood as well.
Yeah.
Complete focus tigel vairi gela.
Yes.
I completely enjoyed. Tigel to Singapore solo trips korche. Mommy toddler.
Yeah.
So my networking all became between mothers.
Yeah.
Right? So तांगेलो to solo trip to Singapore केला दुबई चमकल ती घेऊन एकलीच ती घेऊन मिगेल बामना नानश
Not related.
not as a family
Yeah.
but I took her.
No, company.
No,
Just
well, I
outing.
was in
outing.
sabbatical.
Yeah,
Sabbatical.
sabbatical.
So it was a concept that mommy toddler trip म्हणत आशिल्ली.
अच्छा.
त्या केले.
Yeah.
2017 ताई केले. Then I went into Banaswadi branch, the sabbatical जातरी. At that time, throughout my career, even though I was enjoying a little bit, एक मनांत आशिल कसं मला, this is not what I want to do. I want to do something different.
Yes.
I want to do something unique. I wanted to pursue company secretary's course, which I couldn't finish.
Yes.
I tried it after getting that Jai Miguel. So what do I do next? So 2021 antu, I went on a solo trip to Beer Billing. Beer Billing aka I went. Solo trip aka. त्या बीर बिलिंग अंत कशी म्हळ्यारी there's a place एक लेन शे आसा त्या लेनांतू चिन 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 केफे असते आणि थंय कसं म्हळ्यारी एंटरप्रेनर्स सोलो एंटरप्रेनर्स कम देर अँड वर्क ओके स्टार्टअप पुरा आशिल जन दे कम देर फॉरेनर्स एस्पेशली थंय येवन काम करचे येवची थंय इट इज अ हिमाचल प्रदेश इट इज अ हिल स्टेशन ते पॅराग्लायडिंग वच्चे जनान. So there I got to, since it was a solo trip, I met a group who was talking about, a startup and sustainability विषयी discuss करत आशिल्ली.
अच्छा.
So I got to interact with them and there I understood a little bit about sustainability. टिकाऊपण. But that was there at the back of my mind. ये COVID time जल तक्षण. COVID March अंजला, I think October or November I'd been to Beer Billing. That was there at the back of my mind. Tajatari 35th birthday migele 2022 May 18th my husband randomly came and told, you are still working for a bank. You know what? I mean, kitli वर्ष आणि कसं असं आणि कंटिन्यू करचे कस की तशी मळालो. So that is when I realized enough is enough. I mean bankachi jalle anymore. I want to do something on my own. Miguel शिकेल पावनी. First of all, म्हाका एक deep regret and dissatisfaction as with respect to my education. That I couldn't complete what I had thought of.
Yes.
And I couldn't, do that. one try एक dissatisfaction असतं. And this banking job was not, enough for me. Mak tant passion end jawcha start jalale, and I didn't want to continue also. So at that moment, Tant Miguel Bamnan, when he told me something, that
Yeah.
about banking and my job, etc., I decided this is enough. And
I must do something new.
knew. And very next day, I put my papers. एक महिने भितर हांव काम सोड. आता 2022 हांव काम सोडतरी now हांव बिझनेसा विशयी न्याय कुनाशा पुरो, बट म्हाका इन हँड एक्सपिरियन्स आसा बिझनेसाचे ना,
ना practical ना.
प्रॅक्टिकल ना. आता बँकांत बिझनेस हाणाशा पुरो, बट that is as a brand. I go as Federal Bank and get business for the bank, right?
Correct.
It is not I go as Archana
I'm
or
a personal name.
personal name.
Yeah.
So how do I, start? Where do I start? I know, mak business start korka. What do I sell? I cannot come out of a bank and sell sell banking services.
Correct.
At engineers by rettachi company tulana, MBAs by rettachi, they know what to sell because they are experienced. Software self karta, tangit services. Tasal experience na migela. What do? I can sell products. What products? Kasa products. Franchisees wow, Indian market so those okay. If not my own services or my own expertise, konale being original franchisee give, I'll start a business. Idea gal.
Yes.
Okay, I looked up in the Indian market. Indian market and don't men complete research obviously. I looked up in the Indian market. Now in the Indian market, you have two type of franchisees. Schooling preschools franchisees primarily, and you have food franchisees.
Yeah.
I don't want to do this because this is common. And the profitability because it is overcrowded market.
Right. Purpose.
Impact. No impact. Nothing. So I decided, no, I will not do this. So I looked up in the UK market, UK and the US market. There again, I came across a company called BCM and Auditel, where this cost management and carbon management services, they were selling at the whole composition to the clients. So the cost management part of it was very, cost management malari. Hanga karnachta, Europe and it is very, very prevalent that this cost management people go to any business, okay, and identify where cost savings can be done.
Solutions?
Solutions, yeah.
Kind of.
So that was a good thing. I learned the concept, but I did not want to sell it. That's why I took the carbon management franchise. Tajubagiri, Miguel, Shikwana, Bado, Shikwana. So, 2022. I had to actually undo Miguel College Shikwantai. I had to undo. Forget banking experience. I had to undo banking experience. I had to undo my schooling school and 10th standard science. How 2022 to Surkele Shikuka. आवाज इतना ही बंद कर मिगेल शिकवना. Every single day is a learning for me. बैंक का तुलन भाई रहता ना, I am a PPT को रोता ही समझोत ना. Right from making PPTs to making flyers to learning about the domain. That is, I did this certified carbon practitioner course.
I wanted to ask you, what is that?
Yeah, certified carbon practitioner course. I did it from a institute called IICSR. Tantu kasa shikaitachi, carbon management shikaitachi, carbon accounting shikaitachi, how to achieve net zero, how to, transition from a polluting entity to a non-polluting entity. Those courses, many things shikaitatan.
Carbon online course ki?
Online.
Okay.
Apart from that, there are many courses, small certifications which I've done from Europe and the US. Online.
Related to
sustainability, with specifically with respect to carbon management.
Okay.
So I had to actually undo and redo. Start. So I took up a franchise. I took up a franchise of a company in Europe. I learned how businesses operate in Europe, what are their challenges, how do they approach Taparashikli, and then how do I apply it to the Indian scenario. Now, Indian scenario, a franchise get levi. But how do I network? How do I understand the mindset of the grassroots, medium, small enterprises? How do I pitch? How do I talk to them? So what do I do? And most importantly, we are Kanchi startup founder Jalari Samta Miguel Tasal Janaka. That first of all, you have to build a network of service providers. In the sense, to take lawyer jao ka jattalo, to take CS jao ka jattalo, to take CA jao ka jattalo, to take content writer jao ka jattalo. So for me, it was important to gather that base first. That base how kai kelmalari BNI join jali, TAI join jali, and many other networking groups join jali. So first year went in having that base,
and
that business environment, Sheila. म्हाका बेज हांव सेट केलें 2022 to I think somewhere around 2023. Mistake that all startup founders do. They try to do everything by themselves. So the crux of the business is diluted there. Either you have a partner or a stakeholder who will do all that for you, or you have a proper grounding or a base where your daily activities is not disturbed because of this lacking. Malari या lack जला मिगेल expertise ना या मक I
वरलेल काम जात्ता
बुका ना. So the 2023 तक तश झाला. So 2023 into I started with this carbon management thing. There across एक पटी कसं झालं म्हणा. After that कसं झालं म्हणणारी I came across a mentor. I can say a mentor called a person called Alexei Titanuko from Europe. Anita Gill teammates. I came across a company called AgroCCS BV, Netherlands. It's a Dutch startup with an idea to produce biochar in developing nations. Okay. So
They will come to what is biochar later.
Yeah. So they wanted a partner, they wanted a co-founder, and somehow we had certain discussions. We aligned, and I became part of AgroCCS India, India and Global South.
Okay.
And Global South. So I have two companies now. A Costmos. Costmos Andrew, we primarily deal with the carbon management, right from GHG accounting to preparing net zero strategies to providing carbon credit solutions to institutions and businesses wherever they are eligible. Apart from that, Miguel Bamna Landarat, Miguel company into CarbonTally.ai म्हणून आम्ही एक सॉफ्टवेअर डेव्हलप करतेची टू नॉट डू द कॅल्क्युलेशन्स मॅन्युअली सो दॅट AI based application can cater to the calculations. So that is about Costmos. And AgroCCS, as I said, is a biochar manufacturing company. Manufacturing company which intends to bridge the gap of carbon finance which is available in US and the UK, and get it to developing nations and the global south wherein there is a lot of agricultural waste. Bridge the gap. Malari tangela ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಸ್ಸ. They have money because they are highly industrialized and they have polluted the atmosphere.
Yeah.
And that finance comes to India to promote afforestation ki climate activities add on kuru. So this is what
that is it the same as carbon management?
Wait, carbon biochar is a separate thing.
Yeah.
But the biochar and the carbon credits concept is but AgroCCS is AgroCCS is a product company. Costmos is a consulting firm.
अच्छा.
So this is about my business.
आता अर्चना क्लायमेट मस्त प्रॉब्लेम्स आसाची म्हणून सांगता आसाची सो त्याच्या विशयान कसं प्रॉब्लेम आसा म्हणून एक आमकां सांगतोय.
So problem कसं म्हणल्यार इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन सुरू झालेलं आहे 1750-1760 तुलान. So at that point in time कसं झालं म्हणल्यार we moved from agrarian economies to industrial economies. इता मूव जालेंची to serve the growing population. Masses church झाले, population church झाले, आणि to provide easy access to many commodities, right? Machines use करू सुरू केले to increase mass production.
Correct.
So we switched from natural resources to man-made, non-renewable resources like coal switch केले, oil switch केले, vehicles use start केले for the convenience of human beings.
Correct.
Now this planet, आमगेल planet कशी आसा म्हळ्यार 8.7 billion species आसा हांगा. The 8.7 billion species अंतू human beings एक species. Okay.
Correct.
And this one species has destroyed about 75% of the biodiversity since that industrial revolution सुरू झालेलं 1850 तुलान proper सुरू झालेलं 75% of the ecology and biodiversity is destroyed, right? So that is one problem. That is the core problem. Problem कसं म्हणल्यार 2400 tons of CO2 atmosphere रावचून लॉक जाला कसं जाता ओझोन लेयर ते ओझोन लेयराचे
प्रोटेक्ट
करचे कसं प्रोटेक्ट करचे हीट कितले जावं की तितली मात्र अर्थ येवन तितले असला एक लेवल आसा त्या लेवला पाशी चड जेव ऊन येईल म्हणजे लाईफ कॅनॉट सस्टेन ऑन अर्थ. Right? Now if that ozone layer itself depletes, heat will start coming and it gets trapped because of the gases that industries are emitting. Human beings are, emitting, right? Because of their activities. ट्रॅप जाल्यार हीट कशें करता ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंग सिनारियो दिता टेम्परेचर ऑफ द अर्थ फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्रियल रेवल्यूशन तुला नागताय 1.2 डिग्रीज चड गेला आत 1.2 डिग्रीज चड जाला म्हळ्यार सायंटिस्ट आर सेइंग 75% इज डिस्ट्रॉयड हा सो at the limit that is determined is 2%.
Oh my God.
2% apashi chad monjal monjala you can imagine how much of havoc it can cause.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So what happened in 1997 Malari, all countries realized this and they came together and signed a agreement called the Kyoto Protocol. Hantu basic discussion jale between countries like US, UK and many other developed countries and also a few developing nations.
Correct.
They came to an agreement that we all will help each other to not go beyond that threshold of 1.5 degrees. 2 degrees is the max threshold. Yeah. But they have decided that they will not go beyond 1.5 degrees. They will make sure. At make sure mala kasala grassroots level businesses will be impacted, right? Developing nations first of all anga calm una industrialization ikali monjalari kasa varta. So a balance between sustainability and also employment has to be implemented. So that is why every year all countries meet. And that meeting is called United Nations are meeting the COP mantada
COP.
okay the COP there are many decisions that take place year on year between these countries. In 2015 most of the countries came together and signed the Paris Agreement. At the Paris Agreement antu India ankasa decide kela malari that India will become net zero by 2070.
Acha 70.
Yes. 20. And we will switch from fossil fuels at least by 50% by 2030.
Acha.
So that is the reason as to why government is incentivizing solar, wind, thermal puramku schemes distas mu grassroots level ari. That is because there is a target that India will move to renewable energy by 2030.
Okay.
So this time why it is very important. As our Prime Minister, Honorable, Prime Minister has mentioned that we are on the cusp of a transition between industrial era to green era.
Yeah.
Industrial era malakasala. Industrial era malari, it is a linear economy wherein you take from the environment, you make something, you use it and you dispose it. Industrial era malakasala. Industrial era malari, ami samsadan karche, तुम्ही कसले करचिता जोतू त्या विकचे त्या विकून घेतील मनशान ते यूज करचे ते यूज केलेले मनशान मागीर ताका डिस्पोज करचे okay around 2400 billion tons of plastic waste is present. People don't know what to do about it.
Correct.
10% of that plastic waste goes into recycling to prepare virgin plastic again.
Only 10%.
Only 10%. Baki what is happening? It is going into the oceans. It is going into your soil. Right?
Yeah.
It is being disposed. People don't know what is happening. So, that was the concept of industrialization. Circular principle mala kasala. That dispose kelel ulel pada. Thai tulana circular starts the concept of circularity. You take it, dispose kelel material, you reuse it, you regenerate it, you redesign it, and put it back into the economy. That is the concept of circularity. Circularity mala. So now countries are focusing at 2070 mallavai. But how do you achieve? Kashi achieve kurche.
Correct.
Solar koret. Okay. Switch from coal.
Yeah.
Okay. Miguel projects at the pura company into Tachi. Credits divcha. At the switch kelel manchasa pade. Coal tulana solar. Tanku solar credits melta. Plastic recycle kelal manshaka 2400 billion tons plastic malana that kaanu virgin plastic opas kelal manshaka plastic credits melta.
Acha.
So one plastic credit taka 200-300 USD pashi chad mall as if you are able to do it. There are carbon registries which give you those credits. So that is my work, basic work that happens in my consulting firm. So wind energy malare opas tak carbon credits melta. So concept of carbon credits has come down from the Paris Agreement that people kankanchi jan circular economy principles use karta chi businesses jo they are eligible for to motivate people on the grassroots level carbon credit system aila. आता कार्बन क्रेडिट्स म्हळ्यार कसं जालें 1 ton of CO2 sequestered from the atmosphere तुलान खंयचेय मेथडातुल्यान तुमी काडलेलें कार्बन 1 टन जाल्यार तुका 1 क्रेडिट मेळटा आतां एक जाग आसा म्हण लेक्चर जाग्यान तूं द सॉयल वॉज डिग्रेडेड प्लांटेशन ना कसलें ना बॅरन लँड आसा बंजर जाग आसा थंय वचून हांव एक एफॉरेस्टेशन एक्टिविटी करता झाडे वळचे न्हय हांव एक 100 फार्मर्साक घेवन तांगेले सण एकरा आय मीन तांगे कोर एक्टिविटीचे भायर आमी जड घालचे बॅम्बू जेवो घालचे कसले एक घालचे and that sequester jalal calculate code no that particular farmer will be eligible for carbon credits so farmer the additional revenue that concept of this is the concept of climate finance.
Okay.
So with AgroCCS such concept that AgroCCS will bridge the gap. I mean gap bridge kurcha
Small
climate finance घेऊन bridging the gap from developing nations.
अच्छा.
Okay, giving them an extra source of आतांक extra source of income दिवच्याक आम्ही प्रयत्न करचे.
Keeping nature in mind. भविष्य नेचराचे
भविष्य. So this is at the COP म्हळ्यार कॉन्फरन्स ऑफ पार्टीज म्हणटा जी इट इज
तुम्ही अटेंड केलेलं भाग घेतला
फुडले वर्स COP29 आय हॅड म्हाका एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळेली आसा टू ट्रॅव्हल टू बाकू अझरबैजान फुडले वर्स 2024 नोव्हेंबरान टू I had the privilege to speak at a side event there.
Oh, wonderful.
And yes, I was it was a very inspiring event there.
Leadership
घेवच्याक आणि networking you get to meet many world leaders there. World leaders येतात United
Nakum which criteria to will fact
you need एक invite जाय आणि एक you कसले एक proof जाय that you're working in this space.
Yeah. तसे तुमका लीडर्स सायंटिस्ट
लीडर्स सायंटिस्ट चिंतन करतल जन मस्त जन
मेळते सो ते तुका कसं टेक अवे मेळ्ळे
टेक अवे वॉज ओनली नेटवर्किंग अँड या इव्हेंटा उल्लोच्या एक फ्रान्स मेळ्ळे म्हाका मस्त बिझनेस कॉन्टॅक्ट्स मेळ्ळे नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया also outside India.
Wonderful.
South Americaची एक एफॉरेस्टेशन प्रोजेक्ट मेळ्ळे सो देर आर मल्टिपल थिंग्स दॅट हॅपन इन या वर्ष वचुका म्हणले किले बट या वर्ष ब्रेझिलान जालेले आय कुडंट अटेंड बट येस इट हॅपन्स एका कंट्रीन तू जगता एव्हरी इयर
आता आमगेली इंडियान तो हे चळवळी म्हळ्यार हेजे टिकावपणाचे सस्टेनेबिलिटी मुवमेंट हे कितले टाइम आमी रेडी आसत घेवच्याक इंडिया इज रेडी
इंडिया is getting ready. India is getting ready 2010 ना पुशी फुडें it was just a moral responsibility कोणाक moral responsibility conscious दिसता that आमगेल एक कसं म्हळ्यार we all know that we owe to the environment but the action घेवची जन मस्त उणे
करेक्ट
आम्ही म्हणताच कसं म्हळ्यार आमगेला आनमालाक आमकां ऋण मस्त आसा आनमान आमकां कितली केला विदाउट आस्किंग कसले म्हणताच बट
नेचर
बट 100 times more than आमगेला आनमाला पशी 100 वांटाना आमकां ऋण आसूचे माते आनी नेचर टुवर्ड्स नेचर इता म्हळ्यार जन्म आयल टाइम तुला तू मोरची थंय इट इज ओनली नेचर दॅट सस्टेन्स यू
करेक्ट नेचर समजला
समजता तुका भूंय सॉयल दिना म्हणटा की कृषी करूक एअर
पोल्युशन
so Anam Puri might fail 2-3 days in a year to fulfill their duty, but nature never fails you. So it is very important to have that awareness that you need to be protective about your nature, not only yourself. You have to subconsciously and not subconsciously, consciously you have to be aware that you are doing something towards the environment.
Yes.
If you're not doing anything, but please make sure that you're at least
not
spoiling it.
Correct. Yeah.
So India is we have a very good government as of now. Many state governments as well. India is transitioning very very effectively with respect to sustainability as far as I see it. Because there is something called as national action climate plan. Under that इंडिव्हिज्युअल कार्बन फुटप्रिंट रिड्यूस करूक लाईफ मिशन म्हणून एक स्कीम आसा. इंडिव्हिज्युअल कार्बन फुटप्रिंट इंडिव्हिज्युअल कार्बन
इंडिव्हिज्युअल
इंडिव्हिज्युअल कार्बन फुटप्रिंट म्हळ्यार हांव एक इंडिव्हिज्युअल राईट. म्हाका एक कपडा आवनेसची नेसेसिटी आसा आज कळना. या कपडा हांवें बाराक 2-3 पटी न्हेसूं येता. नाही हांवें असलेची 4 कपड न्हेसून 4 दीस न्हेसूं येता. Okay, to produce this particular saree, it might take 10 tons of CO2 from the, it might have emitted 10 tons, resources use करून 10 tons might have been emitted because of this saree. One saree. Maybe. Okay, हांव एक 10 टी-शर्ट घेतली म्हणजे लारी 10 into 10, 100 tons हांव emit केला वरी जाता. But if I am aware and if I, have that minimalistic behavior, हांव 2 टी-शर्ट घेवनूय सुदारसूं येता.
करेक्ट.
वय की नाही. हांव एक 10 कार म्हाका घेवची तितली कॅपॅसिटी आसा म्हणजे लारी आय कॅन बाय 10 कार्स अँड एक दीस एक कार भायर काडेन. वय की नाही.
जगावी
अवश्य स्वयं म्हणेल क्वेश्चन
नीड हय.
यू गो टू जपानाची लाईफस्टाईल पळयल्यार तांगेल वेस्टाचे डब्बो इतलेसान इतलेच भितर तांणी मॅनेज करप. दे इवन द CEO ऑफ बिग कंपनीज जपानांतू ट्रॅव्हल बाय मेट्रो. जाल्यार बँगलोरांतू इतले हॉड कार घेवन तो ट्रॅफिकांतू 1 घंटा रपता बट तो मेट्रोर वचचा चूज करना. He doesn't prefer to travel by metro. It is mindset as to how much you want to, exploit.
इंडिव्हिज्युअल कार्बन प्रिंट इम्प्रिंट दिली म्हणजे लारी ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ತಂಗಿಲೆ ಮನಾಂತುಗಲ್ಲ
ಚಿಕ್ಕೆ ಊಣಿ ಕೋರೆತ್ತ ಮುಣ ತಕ್ಕ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ या ಮುಂಚೆ लाइफ मिशन मोनो हर माह के नाम एक पेड़ मलल पड़ा. That particular thing comes under life mission of the government. So that is to reduce the carbon footprint of individuals. So that is one scheme. मागीर फेम म्हणून एक सूर केला टू इनक्रीज EV मोबिलिटी. डिझेल कन्झम्पशन उणे जाव म्हणून इलेक्ट्रिक व्हेकल. सोलार गव्हर्नमेंट इज हेवीली इन्व्हेस्टिंग इन सोलार
आम्ही त्याची युटिलाइज करून घेऊ का.
सो दिस इज हाऊ.
तसे आता याचे प्रकार आमगे दक्षिण कन्नड अंतू कसं पुरे अपॉर्च्युनिटीज असता.
Dakshin Kannada coastal belt jalal निमित्त Dakshin Kannada is a very vulnerable coastal belt with respect to climate. Okay, ಈ ತಮಿಳಾರಿ sea levels rise jatta asta, land displaced jatta. So as a community Dakshin Kannada is a very sustainable society. आम्ही देवस्थानांत पन्नार जेवताच. We don't use plastic or any other material. तसं पुरा मनशम. So even behavior pattern wise Hangachi richest of the richest person is sustainable. Thought again live, he tries to, reduce his consumption level. It's all about minimalistic behavior. Aw samchi kasa malari, that should remain. We shouldn't get into too much of, consumption mode. Ek function ilari, every function akana venamai kappad gyocha. Oh, you can repeat, right? You can repeat clothes. Geucha, over excessive, meat khaucha. Tapura, all those things, contribute to CO2 levels. And mangrove restoration, there is something called coastal economies aka blue carbon monos concept of blue carbon. Mangrove restoration kartana coastal belts become less risk aversive to climate change because carbon sequester karta आणि it protects the coastal environment. Mangrove restoration म्हणताची. मागीर algae cultivation, seagrass म्हळ्यारी उदका पंडांतू जावची cultivation. So it sequesters a lot of carbon मस्त काढता atmosphere तुलाना. Also it maintains the ecology of the nearby places. So या पुरा आम्ही कोर we can become a sustainable completely net zero district.
तरणाट्याने आमगेले अंत भितर कशी इन्वॉल्व जावन आसता.
वय हांव म्हणजे कसं म्हळ्यार सस्टेनेबल शिकूका as a course, as a serious career option is a wonderful option. As I mentioned, I see a $4 billion opportunity in the carbon space itself, carbon management space itself, the consulting space itself. मागीर बाकीचे products आणतो green energy, green green products या पूरा आयल म्हणजे you can imagine the impact it will have on the small businesses, right? So it is better to pursue एक course pursue. There is a institute, TERI म्हणून एक institute असं Delhi. You can pursue online आम्ही
exams नाही करताची. TERI म्हणून I heard about.
IIM, IIMB, IIM, all IIMs and IITs, proper 2-year sustainability courses सुरू केला. So I suggest that you take the courses from the beginning itself. Malari MBA pursue korchaka maybe sustainability is an option. MSc in sustainable sciences. So this can be a very good career option going forward.
गुड आयडिया तशें जाल्यार तांतूं ऍक्टिव्ह जावन करूं जाता स्टॅनफोर्डांतू सीड प्रोग्रामांतू तुम्ही भाग घेतलेलो हें कसं तें माझ्या विशय सांगू शकता
वय स्टॅनफर्ड सीड एक ग्लोबल साउथ स्टार्टअप एंटरप्रेनर्साक एक कोर्स दॅट इज बीन डिझायन बाय स्टॅनफर्ड युनिव्हर्सिटी. त्या कोर्सांतू आमकां कसं शिकयता म्हळ्यार what are the challenges you could potentially face as a startup founder. तुमगेल आयडिया सॉलिड आस म्हणून जाल्यार तुमगेल प्रेझेंटेशन्स लायक आस म्हणून जाल्यार ते सिलेक्ट अँड ग्रूम यू टू बिकम अ बेटर एंटरप्रेनर. हांव कसं शिकली म्हळ्यार आय लर्न फंडिंगा विशीं शिकली as to how much equity दवरून घेवका, how much debt घेवका, how to position your brand in the market. ब्रँड कंटिन्युटी म्हळ्यार कसं जालें, मार्केट पोजिशनिंग कशें करचें, मार्केट कॅप्चर कसं आसूं तुगेलें, हाऊ टू वॉट टेक्नॉलॉजी खंयच्या टायमार हाडका, कसो नमने टेक्नॉलॉजी आसा, विच टेक्नॉलॉजी इफ यू ब्रिंग इन टू द कन्सल्टिंग बिझनेस कशी हाऊ कुड इट टेक ओवर. मागीर अकाउंटिंग हाऊ अकाउंट्स एनालायज कशें करचें, फिगर्स कशी I mean, how do you
tally
tally nahi. How do you read figures in between the figures? How do you understand figures? That pura as a founder, it is very, very important that you have those skill sets. So basically, as an entrepreneur, कस आमक equip करूक tools जाय पडले. That Stanford seed antu I got a chance to go to the course. And म्हाका networking opportunities मस्त मेळ्ळे Stanford seed antu. I completed the course last year in 2024.
So ताज्ञे मी तुगेले कंपनीके मस्त
या जाय. आणि एक ऍड ऑन कसं करता म्हळ्यार in India, sustainability as of now govern korche Ministry of Environment, under Ministry of Environment, Bureau of Energy Efficiency. This is for the audience I'm telling. Tangele Bureau of Energy Efficiency into ISO 14064 lead auditor mone course asa. If takkeli monjalari going forward, it will be a lucrative career for the youth. Because आता मी कसं audit accounting कोण दिसता पडे as a company, त्या audit core नु त्या report submit जावका. So that particular course is what is relevant to do the audit for the carbon accounting as of now. So how I केला ते course.
How long is it?
Lead auditor course 5 दिवसा course. It is not a big course. Duration hard na, but it is important.
Understanding.
So BRS are reporting us India antu. The BRS are reporting malari business reporting and sustainability reporting. Auditors ago tashapura must auditors anka. Tant एक segment is carbon accounting म्हणून तुमगेल scope 1, scope 2 आणि scope 3 report करचे एक option is option नाही mandate is for the 1000 biggest companies, listed companies. आता so the figures gal ka jara तुगेल accounting जाऊ का ना मैं hotted company into ESG teams असं त्या करचाका. But as and when it is going to come down, it is gradually going to come down to the grassroots level, right? When it comes down to the grassroots level, people will want small consultancies. So that is where we look ourselves, positioning ourselves as a service provider.
So small and medium company.
Yes, sir.
आता म्हाका कळ्ळा पण की तुमकां आंध्र प्रदेश गव्हर्मेंटाक आनी UP गव्हर्मेंटाक
government.
ते वचून मेळना इलसाची ते कसो अनुभव जाला?
With both the governments, I had a wonderful experience with respect to sustainability. Both are into heavily investing in sustainability across their states. So how pitch we went to pitch biochar facilities achi. आमगेल first biochar facility Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh antasa. So we are about to tackle 10,000. We are about to impact 10,000 farmers in that particular area, collecting their waste, which is about 54,000 metric tons. And we will convert it into biochar and give that biochar free to the farmers.
Correct.
So कसा जात म्हळ्यार biochar म्हळ्यार कसं नाही. Biochar म्हळ्यार it is an age old thing. तू agricultural waste फुडली कालान तू गद्द्यान तू जोडोवन त्या चारकोलचे सबस्टन्स आमी सॉयला घालचे आशिल्ले. जाल्यार थंय तदन कसं जाता आशिल्लें म्हळ्यार ताका जळयतना ताका हॉग येता दोर येता एनवायरमेंट. सो दॅट पर्टिक्युलर प्रॉब्लेम इज पर्सिस्टंट इवन नाव. आतां डेल्लीन चमकलारी आतां क्लायमेटाचे एअर पोल्युशना विशीं उलयताच. डेल्लीन तितक पोल्युशन चड जाला. ओके डस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन वेहिकल्स त्या पुरा आसा वय बट थंयची मेन प्रॉब्लेम कसं म्हळ्यार सुत्तमुत्त पंजाब उत्तर प्रदेश आणि ऍग्रिकल्चरल राजस्थान पुरा ऍग्रिकल्चरल स्टेट्स ओके त्यांनी कसं करता म्हळ्यार या क्रॉप चेंज सीझन जाल्ले निमित्त त्यांनी जळयताच फार्मर्स त्या हॉग येवन डेली गेट्स पोल्युटेड दॅट इज वन ऑफ द मेन रिझन्स देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्मॉग आम्ही कसं करता म्हळ्यार पायरोलिसिस टेक्नॉलॉजी टू ऍज मेनी पीपल मायट नो ऑक्सिजन लेस कंपार्टमेंट तक वेरी 400 to 600 degrees हीट करता कार्बन कंटेंट चड जाता पोल्युशन एटमॉस्फेरियांतल्यान उणी जाता त्या आयल चारकोल बायोचार तू सॉयला घालता त्या सॉयला घालेले निमित्त तुका कार्बन स्टोर जाल्ले ते कार्बन ऍग्रोसिसीस म्हळ्यार ऍग्रो कार्बन कॅप्चर अँड स्टोरेज ते स्टोर जाल्ले कार्बनाक तू कार्बन क्रेडिट्स मेळटा सो बिझनेस मॉडेल ते अर्न फ्रॉम कार्बन क्रेडिट and give biochar
and give it back to the nature.
So government कसं जाता खंयचे मिनिस्टर जावं तो खंयचे IAS ऑफिसर जावं फर्टिलायझर तू तांकां सेविंग्स जाता म्हणजे तुका राबून आयकतात कसा ही आयडिया म्हण सो जाल्यार काणी तितलेची सो इट इज अ रिप्लेसमेंट टू फर्टिलायझर्स इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प फार्मर्स मोर ओवर आम्ही कसं प्रॉमिस केला म्हळ्यार सर्टन अमाउंट ऑफ कार्बन क्रेडिट्साची रेव्हेन्यू विल बी शेअर्ड विथ फार्मर्स बिकॉज दे हॅव टेकन दॅट इनिशिएटिव्ह टू स्टोर दॅट वेस्ट फॉर अस. So this concept was very well liked by both the governments, and they have promised considerable action in the field.
Yeah, it might take some time, but definitely it
Yes,
will be done.
yes.
Yeah, very ಖುಷಿ ವಿಷಯ. आता ग्रीन टेक्नॉलॉजीज स्मॉल स्केल फार्मर्स हांकां कृषी करतले हांकां आनी रुरल कम्युनिटीज हांकां कशी एक्सेसिबल करेत.
Small scale farmers I have Uttar Pradesh avattana I got a chance to visit that eastern Uttar Pradesh, right? Varanasi jattari Bihar side the problem कसं जाला म्हळ्यार लँड होल्डिंग सान फार्मर्स जाले तांगेल खर्चू चड जन चड घरांत तो लँड सोडू तयार ना बट हाऊ डज द फार्मर सस्टेन तांगेल क्रश येऊन सो इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट टू अडॉप्ट रिजेनरेटिव्ह और नॅचरल फार्मिंग. नॅचरल फार्मिंग म्हळ्यार कसं जालें तुगेल युजींग नॉन पेस्टिसाइड यूज करूना केमिकल फर्टिलायझर्सा बदलाक बायोचार ऑर्गॅनिक फर्टिलायझर ग्रीन फर्टिलायझर यूज करता वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग कशें करचें
That is what is green technology.
Yeah, green technology. The government is doing considerable work. Government must pura tank, sahay karta sa. Apart from that, even the corporates say must help karta sa. And with respect to carbon credits also will be a new source of income for the farmers.
Yeah, very good. आता तुमगेल प्रकार आमगेल देशाचे कंपनींदू एनी संस्थे ऑर्गनायझेशनाक कार्बन तटस्थ स्ट्रॅटेजीज अडॉप्ट करूक कितली तयार आसाची.
Grassroots level businesses तयार नाच आनीक. Why? Because plastic एकदम से बंद करी म्हळ्यार कसं करता तो तागेले कोर ऍक्टिव्हिटीची प्लास्टिक एव्हरी सिंगल ऍक्टिव्हिटी बिझनेसांतू एव्हरी सिंगल बिझनेस हॅज प्लास्टिक युसेज.
Yes.
डीजल युसेज असता आतां फॅक्टरीजांनी डीजल कोल पुरा असता एकदम से जायना. सो वॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड इज तेज ऑन गव्हर्मेंटान टॉप टू बॉटम अप्रोच घेतला इन द सेन्स फर्स्ट स्कोप आता कार्बन अकाउंटिंग डिवाइड केला कशें म्हळ्यार स्कोप 1 स्कोप 2 आणि स्कोप 3 ऍक्टिव्हिटीज. स्कोप 1 आणि स्कोप 2 ऍक्टिव्हिटीज इज समथिंग दॅट हॅपन्स ऍक्टिव्हिटीज विदिन द बिझनेस. आता हॉडड कॉर्पोरेट्स एक्सेस मनी असते राईट सो त्यांनी कसं करता म्हळ्यार स्कोप 2 म्हळ्यार तुगेल परचेज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कोल तुला ना सोलार शिफ्ट जाता सो स्कोप 2 इज नेगेटेड. देन दे स्लोली कम टू स्कोप 1 अँड स्कोप 3. स्कोप 3 इंटू सप्लाय चेन असता. सप्लाय चेन म्हळ्यार कोण हॉडड कॉर्पोरेट जाल्यार आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल रिलायन्स जो टाटाचे सप्लाय चेन इज द स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज राईट. स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीजान तांकां सप्लाय करचे स्मॉल आर्टिकल्स आनी मागीर क्लब करचे मस्त पुरा तशें जाता. सो सप्लाय चेनाक आयदर द that company has to sponsor the activities to negate it in the future or the government has to support it in a way that sustainable measures are taken and sustainable practices are sakalta in grassroots level either of the two jauka. But it is a long process. It is not a process that is it's going to have 2 महिना 3 महिने भितर जावची तसल या नी ता. It is a long process. That is why
जाव आमगेल ते एक टाइम आहे सर 2070 भितर मला म्हणके नाही
सो मेगेल आत येवची क्लायंट्स पुरा या सप्लाय चेनाचे मिडियम बिझनेसेस तांणी येवची रिजन कसं म्हळ्यार मॅडम L&T हॅज L&T न आमगेल कार्बन फुटप्रिंट कितले म्हणून कॅल्क्युलेट करून दिवचे सांगला बिकॉज ताका रिपोर्टिंग आसा ताका BRSR आसा रिपोर्टिंग ताणी तागेल स्कोप 3 तू सांगू का तागेल सप्लायज कोण आनी तांगेल CO2 एमिशन्स कितले म्हणून वन ऑफ द सप्लायर्स इज द क्लायंट whom I have. He comes to me, he asks me to prepare the report as to how much is his carbon emission so that he can give it to L&T. To green na monjalari, if it is beyond a certain amount, he will not be able to sell to L&T. L&T will not buy it. Tash jatas. At for example,
ग्रीन हाडू जाता
he can negate it to some extent. हागेल कसं करता म्हळ्यार सोलार घालता तो स्कोप टू गेले थोडे उणी जाले then slowly plastic तो कसं लिविंग recycling material तुला he'll try to replace that.
अच्छा
Slowly तागेल operations अंतु he'll try to decrease diesel consumption, chemical usage उन करू पडयता, green fertilizers, I mean many things, many things एकका सूर करता. So that is how it is planned, the transition.
अच्छा अच्छा तशी नवा व्हेरी नायस आता सस्टेनेबिलिटी करियरान तू तयार करच्याक सोदूचे तरणाट्यांक तुमगेले एक दोन संदेश कसले सांगू शकता
So sustainability कोणा practice करका की you just have to look up खंयचे institute and कसं courses offer करतात with respect to sustainability. ESG as a whole is a wide concept. Okay, nobody can master entire ESG, very difficult. So you choose
environment,
social and
governance.
At how करचे carbon management environmentaची एक सना part. Environmentaची there are many other things. Social अंतरी तशीची, governance अंतरी तशीची. So you can either take it as a wholesome course एक 2-3 वर्षाचे or you can pick one among the three and do something in that aspect.
Knowledge in depth suka
in depth you should try, you should always aspire for
learning every day learn.
An entrepreneur in this day and age AI attatasa ave ek sandesh कसं one learning of mine throughout my 3 years journey कसं म्हणारी you have to learn and unlearn. You have to consistently learn. आम्ही फुडली कालांतू ओके मिगेल CA जाल्ले मिगेल मिगेल लॉ कोर्स जाल्ले मिगेल इंजिनियरिंग जाल्ले मिगेल शिकवण जाली ना It is a constant learning, is a constant process which every entrepreneur, every professional should be prepared for.
Correct. Everyone should be ready for it.
Ready to learn and be consistently learning.
Correct. Learn japat edukunu finance, education, टिकाऊपणा
at Miguel Bamun software antassa his journey has been he's been continuously learning. तो म्हणजे आज Miguel 20 years would have Miguel college as Shikil is not at all relevant now.
Yes.
He has
every second changes.
So AI kushetas malari data centers येतस. Data centers going forward energy will be the main commodity. Energy तितली energy जाय. AI मला कसं basically तुगेल thought process आणि thought ना because everything can be decoded on the on AI, right? So much of energy consumption will be required. ते जाऊन that is why all these big companies are investing in climate because that much of damage will happen to the environment because of AI.
आता अर्चना सस्टेनेबिलिटी प्रोजेक्ट कोरका ಮುಂದೆಲಾರಿ तुमगेल ड्रीम कंट्री खंची
Miguel dream country Bhutan. Bhutan is a net zero country now. Already a net zero country. The only country world antu which is net zero is Bhutan. And Bhutan, I've been to Bhutan. Bhutan chumkala the peace and the happiness that you feel there is something else. Yeah.
Acha.
So
nature
yeah. So my dream country to do any project in Bhutan.
But sustainability is not needed then.
It's not needed, but it is an inspiration. That country itself is an inspiration to do something about sustainability.
Okay. Very good. खंचे एक मिथ सस्टेनेबिलिटी तो मिथ तुम्ही बस्ट करू खंचस.
Being sustainable is not expensive. It is not costly. Okay, you can be sustainable in your day-to-day activities, without making it big thing.
Expensive.
नहीं मस्त हॉर विषय consider करण्याशी you can be sustainable in the smallest of the smallest actions that you do.
Everybody can do a small
contribution.
Contribution. Yes.
10 कप पडगे कडे ना मी 1 कप टान सुधार सुवेत
वय वय
That reduces the carbon and footprint.
वाणो
वाण
राशो
एक 10 नमूने वाण घेऊच बदलाक 2 वाणेना आम्ही या करूया एव्हरी फंक्शनाक एक वाण घेऊ का म्हणून अवश्य ना
ना वय करेक्ट नीड
नीड असलेला मात्र वय मिनिमलिस्टिक तक मिनिमलिस्टिक बिहेवियर म्हणतात I had read a book on minimalism, and that is also very, very, relative to
सस्टेनेबल
sustainability.
व्हेरी गुड वय अर्चना आमगेले तर हे संवाद प्रेरणादायक जावन आशिल्ले आमी आतां हांगा शिकलेले कसो म्हळ्यार आमगेले आर्थीक टिकाऊपण आनी शिक्षण ಒಟ್ಟೂಚಿ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಖಂಡಿತ करता म्हणून सो नॉलेज आनी ऍक्शन म्हळ्यार ज्ञान आनी कृती हाजे आदारान आमगेले सान चॉयसेसाक आमकां पाचवे ग्रीनर आनी रिसायलियंट फ्युचर मेळोवंक खंडीत साध्य आसा म्हणून आमगेले संवादांत आमी शिकिल्ले आसाची सो तुमकां हांगा येवन तुमगेले जर्नी तुमगेले प्रवास आमगेलो टू वांटून घेतिल्याक मस्त धन्यवाद तुमकां आनीक चिंदायर मुखार वचची तुमगे स्टार्टअप कंपनी लायक आनीक नाव येवो म्हूण सांगताची आमी हांगा तुमकां धन्यवाद दिताची आमगेले विश्व कोंकणी तुमकां शुभेच्छा करता
थँक्स विश्व कोंकणी केंद्रात सगळे टीमाक हार्दिक अभिनंदन म्हाका हांगा पयलाक एक म्हगेले जर्नी सांगची एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिलेलाक मस्त मस्त थँक्स
थँक्यू आतां आमगेले वीक्षकांक आमकां हांतू आमगेले संवादांतू एक अंतर्दृष्टी घेवन आमगेले स्वताचे सस्टेनेबल टिकाऊ परिणामाक करच्याक आमी सगळे ಒಟ್ಟು मेळून सुरू करया शिकता राबुया शिक्षाक केन्नाय ताका एक एंड म्हणना शिकता राबुया छान काम करया आनी आमगे बेटर वर्ल्ड आमकां ಒಟ್ಟूची तयार करू जगता म्हणून हांव सांगताची वीक्षकांक धन्यवाद तुमी आमगेलो आशिल्ल्याक धन्यवाद देव सगळ्यांक बरें करो